Welcome to a repair tutorial. I will describe how you can repair a Siemens Extreme Active Board. I'm going to replace the fan in the ironing board. In the video, you can also see how to disassemble the ironing board. You should only carry out repairs if you are an electrician and are authorized to perform electrical repairs. Do not attempt this under any circumstances if you have no knowledge of such repairs. My problem was that the fan was no longer working. I had also checked the fan's capacitor, but it was still fine. Here in the picture you can see the original fan. However, the main problem with the original fan is that it has the ability to change the direction of rotation. The image shows the label for the fan wiring. I looked for a fan like this but couldn't find a replacement. Since my wife only uses the air intake function anyway, I decided to buy a standard fan that can only rotate in one direction. Once you have removed the fabric cover, you will see the white ironing surface. The metal grid is held in place by plastic clips. The clips can be pushed upward using lever tools. Once all clips have been removed, the metal mesh can be removed. Turn the ironing board over. Now you need to remove the iron rest. These two clips must be pressed outwards using a lever tool. Then the tray can be pushed away upwards. Now remove the two Torx screws. Turn the ironing board over. Now you can open the cover. Cut the yellow, red, and black wires on the left side. Do not cut the ground wire, i.e. the green-yellow wire. Cut the wires at the marked location. The fan can be easily pulled out upwards. And screw the earth connection from the fan and screw it onto the new fan. Slide the new fan into place of the old one. You will need two 20x 4.8 mm insulated plugs 20-16 AWG, as shown in the picture. Now press the insulated plug onto the red or black cable using appropriate pliers. Connect the cables to the fan. I extended the yellow cable. As you can see in the picture, I soldered on a cable. Insulate the solder joint with heat shrink tubing. Also insulate the unused cable of the switch with heat shrink tubing. Now press the insulated plug onto the second cable using appropriate pliers. Connect the cables to the fan. Assembly is carried out in reverse order. Close the cover and screw it shut. Secure the iron rest by pressing it firmly into place. Secure the metal grid with the plastic clips by pressing them firmly into place. Here you can see the replacement fan I used. The fan has roughly identical technical specifications. Below the video in the video description, you will find a list of the required tools I used. If you liked the video, please support me by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.